All right, Jack. So another one of those objectives that you kind of had at the beginning was, fixing. You said that, your wedges weren't really checking up on those full swings, those half swing shots, and we're going to try to figure out what the issue is there. So you want them essentially to land a little higher, a little softer, maybe check up a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, how about you hit one? I'll kind of keep an eye on what you're doing, and I'll see if I can figure out kind of what we can fix here. Okay. Let's see what. Okay, so the biggest thing I kind of noticed in your swing is, to help it land softer, spin a little bit more. The main issue is you're probably having too steep of an attack angle. So really shallowing out that attack angle to something a little closer to zero with your wedges will help it land a little higher, and land a little softer. Ball flight, you'll see it'll go a little higher, because essentially you're not de-lofting the club.
Okay.
So the main things I see in your swing right now that we can choose to fix to try to shallow out that attack angle is, okay, so set up to the ball. And you really want to make sure that your hands, are more just neutral. Because I noticed that when you were hitting it before, you were really forward pressing it.
Okay.
So again, that's going to cause you to hit down a little bit more on it. And then also at address, you were a little too hunched over the ball.
Okay.
And essentially when you do that, your shoulders are going to have to do a lot more work, and it's really going to seem like you might be digging into the ground a little bit more. So focus on neutralizing that shaft position, right in line with the ball, right in line with your eyes, and then also standing up a bit taller. And then kind of feel that, and the ball should feel like it comes off with a little bit more spin. It'll go a little higher. Also should check up a little bit more around the greens. Yes, that was perfect. We'll check the attack angle. Yeah, exactly. So your attack angle is a lot more shallow. We're really double digits on the first one for degrees of the attack angle. And now we're really shallowing it out a little bit more. So that should have felt a little softer. I know it flew a lot higher.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I like to focus on, is when you have that issue, really trying to pick out the cause of what's causing the lack of spin around the greens, and then what we can do to fix that in the golf swing.
Okay.
All right.